how do you react to this question when you see it in an interview test? Let's read first. The price of a can of drink was increased by 20%. How many cans can be purchased for the amount of money that used to buy 300 cans? For the amount of money that used to buy this. So what do you do? Did you even understand this question? You are told you usually buy this can. Let's just say you used to buy this can. For one can, you used to buy $2. And you used to buy 300 cans with a particular amount. But this time around, the game has changed and the price is now increased by 20% for one can. So you are now asked, how many cans can you buy now with the same money you used to buy your 300 cans? What do you think should happen? Think. What do you think? How many cans are you expecting? Are you expecting more cans than 300 or lesser can? Now, you are expecting lesser cans because you know too well that because there's an increase and it's the same money you are using, you cannot buy 300 anymore. You have to reduce because the price has now increased. That is just that. So how do you solve this? When you see this, just remember your proportion. So what do? The price for every commodity, the price is 100%. So it means that, remember, when you have 100%, this 100%, and 100% is just the same as you writing it this way. Did you see? This percentage is a fraction. So it means when you divide 100 by itself, it gives you 1. So if the price of every commodity is 100%, it means that the original price you used to buy this 300, the amount you used to spend on 300 cans is 1. That's what it means because that's the percentage for it. And for this one, which we have said, this one is the same as 100%, which is the original price. So for this one, we used to buy 300 cans. Did you see that? Now, if there is an increase in price, it means that the new percentage is now going to be increase means to add. So you are going to add 20% to the original. So what do? You are adding 20%. You see, your original is 100%. So you are adding 20 to it. What will it give you? 100 add this gives you 120%. And what is 120%? If you simplify it, it is the same as 120 divided by 100. Did you see? So it means you are going to take this off and you are dividing 12 by 10. And dividing 12 by 10 is just like moving the arrow once and it gives you 1.2. So 12 divided by 10 is 1.2. So it means that the new percentage is no longer 1, but 1.2. Did you see? Because there's an increase. And this increase is what you want to know, how many cans can we now buy? So what do you think you should do? This is just your proportion. So what you now do is, because we are expecting lesser cans, because there is an increase, it is what we now call inverse proportion. So in that case, to work this out using your inverse proportion, what you do is you multiply these two. So let's take this off. So what you do each time you're working with inverse, multiply the two first statements. So we are going to multiply these two and then divide by this. So we divide it by this. So let's do that. This gives us 1 multiplied by 300 will be divided by 1.2. Multiply this, it gives you 300 divided by 1.2. And when you do this, no calculator, what do? This is the same as 300 divided by 1.2. Let's bring it down. So we have 300 is divided by 1.2, as we said earlier, is 12 over 10. So how do you simplify this? Let's take it up. So taking it up, we are going to now have 300, change this division sign to multiplication, then you flip this fraction. So it's going to give us 10 divided by 12. So if you work this out, you are going to have, this is 300 over 1, multiply this, it gives you 3,000 divided by 12. So 2 here, 12 here is 1, 12 in 30 will give us 3. So we have 12 in 30 will give us 2, which is 24. remaining 6. So if you put that 6 before this, it gives us 60, and 12 in 60 gives us 5, and this in 0 is 0. So it means you are going to have 250 cans. So it means if you divide 3,000 by 12, it gives you 250. You see, we are correct. Like we said at the beginning, you are expected to have lesser cans because the price has now been increased, and it is the same money you are using to buy it now. I hope this really helps you. Let's know how much. Like, share this video. See you in my next class. Bye.